Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right away. Ensure the device has at least 20% battery and that buttons respond. Why this matters: interruptions during reboot can corrupt settings. First, long press power until the power menu appears. If the menu shows reboot, choose it. If not, power off fully and wait 10 seconds. Once done, press power and volume down together for a normal boot on many models. This clears temporary flags that forced safe mode and begins a standard startup. Now you'll dig deeper to remove the cause. If safe mode persists, open Settings and go to Apps. Sort by recent installs and disable or uninstall the most recent third-party apps, because safe mode often triggers from a misbehaving app. Once you've removed suspects, reboot normally. Many phones clear safe mode on a clean boot. If your phone provides a safe mode toggle in the notification shade or an OEM-specific key combo, use it to exit and verify functionality. Finish by rebooting and confirming the safe mode label is gone from the screen. You should regain full app access and notifications. If safe mode remains, wipe the cache partition via recovery to clear system-level temporary data without erasing personal files. As a last resort, back up and perform a factory reset to restore normal operation. Troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode again to test apps one by one. That helps isolate the offending application, so you
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.